Hello everyone, hello Virgo, how are you? Welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. If you do like what I do, please subscribe to my channel and let's see what the cards have in store for you. The Lover's card. So I feel Virgo, some of you getting a job, some of you going through partnership happening, collaboration happening, new association happening for you guys with this Lover's card here. And it is like a divine time that some of you have found job. There is a helping hand from the divine whoever has found a job, and you have found it at a good place. It's going to get you overall happiness, like money, situation, emotional happiness, everything. It will be taken care of. Those of you who have found will get a job in August. 8 of Pentacles. Now there is lot of work. Those who are into this job, there is lot of work, there is lot of consistent hard work. You are working hard day and night. There is overload of work for you, Virgo, and that could cause some stress, stress related issues and health issues for you. So take care of your health, do some yoga, do some meditation, listen to calming music whenever you are free. It will help you with cut down the stress. But I see 8 of Pentacles, working for a money situation, which will definitely give you great returns slowly, because you are already in 8 of Pentacles. You have climbed it, so it's like you're growing day by day, but the workload is also too much, and you are consistently putting on hard work, Virgo here. The Judgment. So I feel these are issues, something from your past you will maybe need to do, dealing with home, land, property, issues. That is what I feel, for you. And also that you need to reach out to your old associations, so that some of you will get benefit in business, or for a job situation also. Some old association might help you going through it, for some of you, Virgo here. Seven of Swords in reverse. So here I feel there are it is in upright position. It shows that there are unfinished business, or you do not get. Here I feel that you are just you are not able to walk away from certain situations which are distressing for you, which are not, you are getting stuck. That the feeling of getting stuck for some of you here. So some of you are feeling stuck, and you do not know what to do, how to go about again, how to march forward. So with 7 of Swords in reverse, I feel this. Also there could be like some deceit or cheating, maybe on money front. You might not get what you were expecting, to get maybe the raise or a salary cut or something related to money, or a partnership did not give you the exact what was promised. So this is what I feel here, with this 7 of Swords energy. 2 of Cups in reverse. So it talks about family issues here. There could be a chaotic or a conflicting situation, or a burdening situation at home. There could be quarrels, there could be not very, it's a negative energy. There could be health issues, there could be that is what you have to deal with, home issues too. So it's like double whammy. You are 8 of Pentacles and home issues. For some of you it could also be a breaking of a partnership, falling apart of partnership, or falling apart of a relationship also, usually with the Lover's card here, just to add on. So, or you might just leave a job. Some of you getting a job, but some of you not taking that job because it no more serves you the way you wanted it. So it's like falling apart with this 2 of Cups here. I feel there is also there could be employment issues already there. There could be issues with your subordinates or servants who work for you. Beware of deceit. Beware of tricksters, fraudsters, and shady deals. So with the Seven of Swords in reverse, it tells you could fall prey to tricksters, fraudsters, and some shady deals which will later get you into trouble. So just beware. Three of Pentacles. So enhancing your skills, working on enhancing your skills, and team. It is a team work. Team. You are working as a team. So it's like, this is a beautiful card. You are working with the Eight of Pentacles and Three of Pentacles. It is a card which some of you Virgos will get success. Old and new associations working together. Maybe this also signifies. Also, I feel there is celebration, party, meetings, seminars in which you are reaching out to people and people are reaching out to you. So it could be old associates reaching out to you, and that is what I feel, that there are, you are you are also traveling. For some of you are traveling work related. I mean, it's a job or a business related thing. Ten of Pentacles in reverse. So I feel there is money issues for most of you, money, family issues, also cutting down on your time and your effort, because there is a lot of conflicts at home too for some of you here, Virgos. There could be a situation wherein you need a lot of money to take care. You might be overburdened by the expenses of your family members or maybe extended family, or the money that you put in, maybe you may have invested some money and it has not given you those returns. So it's basically whatever the foundation that you were thinking of laying for your future, hasn't worked out that well for some of you here, Virgo. At present in August, it does look like there are issues with this Ten of Pentacles reverse, and it's basically more of expenses that is overburdening you, that is making it more stressful for you here. Yeah, so Seven of Pentacles. So Seven of Pentacles also says like, you're tired, you're stressed. Basically, Virgo, take your time out, go and party, go and meet your friends, go and meet your people you want to be with, because life is not about putting all work. It is very important, but there is a certain, anything in excess doesn't work great for any of us. So, and that I can see your situation is you are really in so much stress. So that is what you need to cut down your stress, relieve yourself from this stress. Seven of Pentacles, don't know what to do, confused, low energy, health wise not feeling good. How to get more money. There are so many things in your life, a lot of things happening at your home front, at your office, and you are like a superhero. You're just trying to march ahead in these times. I mean, hats off. It's a very difficult. For some of you, you are really managing it with lot of hard work here. But take care of yourself. Now I'll just pull up a. This is a new addition that I have done. This is a guidance for the month, which will help you, sail across the month in a more positive, way. So let us see, as I do manifestation videos, law of attraction. So this is something which I found should help you cross, your obstacles, and it is a little energized cards that I do with meditation. So let's find out. Don't let fantasies interfere with task in hand. So don't let fantasies interfere with task in hand. So this is a card. So whatever task you have in your hand, you have to do that properly. You have to do it with focus. That is it. Do not get distracted or do not get into wrong ways. I already told there could be distraction, there could be fraud, there could be tricksters working against, there could be people who would want to deceive you and all. So just whatever you have in hand, do it nicely, and things will be taken care of by the universe or by the divine. and hopefully you are going to sail this month in a good energy. So this is it. I would like to thank all viewers and subscribers who have taken the time to watch my videos. Also, if you do like what I do, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you once again, Virgos. Thank you.